good for you, right? What is it? What is your what is your schedule as far as do you allow yourself bad food every now and then?
My vices in the food department are croissants. Thing is, that hits the dopamine button, and it's all about more. I mean, I can sink 5 of those things.
Chocolate croissants are my jam.
Oh, really? I don't adulterate my croissants.
Really?
No, maybe extra butter. For me, it's all the savory stuff. Savory, salty. So it's croissants every once in a while. Or
have
pizza.
you had a chocolate croissant?
I have.
Pretty goddamn good. You like
I'm
them?
with him. I'm all butter.
Really? Butter's nice.
Yeah.
Butter's nice.
I think the all butter for me justifies having, 3 or 4.
When I lived in New York, I used to love buttered bagels or buttered rolls. They do not have that out here for some strange reason. It's like a common thing. If you go to a deli in New York, they always had buttered rolls. It was like just a roll with a lot of butter on it, and people would eat that with coffee.
Yeah,
out here, they don't have that for some strange reason. Or in L.A., they don't have it either.
I like how in New York, when you get a soda, even at a little 7-Eleven type place, they offer you a straw.
Yeah.
It's one of the last civilized things in life to be offered a straw.
You know what I saw? There's a chart. See if you could find this of, how we're supposed to be not using plastic straws anymore because turtles are dying. You know that